Well, hello, stalker. How are you today? Well, yeah. How about you, Ope? How are you two today? Well, hello there. How are you on this beautiful day? I want to show you a few things here real quick. See all this? Look at all that old exhaust, man. There's like 10 clamps in there. New Y pipe. All kinds of flex pipe. Those aren't new. I didn't mean new. Well, as you can see, they're not new. I didn't film it, but I just wanted to show you guys what I did real quick here. Here, let me flip you around and I'll show you. You see all that down there? Yep, that's what First Class has. All new exhaust, except for the tailpipe, or I guess you call them, well, yeah, they'd be the tailpipes. I didn't replace any of those yet. And I don't think I'm going to replace them. What I do think I'm going to do is fix them, because there are 2 or 3 leaks on them that now that the rest of the exhaust is good, it's loud. But guess what? We're going back trucking today, and I just wanted to get a little start off here while we're at the house and show you guys the exhaust there that I did. And I didn't record because I guess I don't make videos all the time anymore like I thought I did. First Class is a mess. We pulled all the bedding out of her. We did all that stuff. So we're going to throw everything back in it, put everything together, get it ready to go. Tatertot's going to go with us this week. And we're going to head east. I'll give you more a little bit later. We already checked tires, checked all that fun stuff already, so I didn't take you along with me on that. You didn't miss anything. Right now though, we're gonna slide the tandems on the trailer because the truck's doing a lot of this going down the road. We're gonna try to smooth out the load a little bit. It's heavy. It's gonna be a long ride. Yeah, there's more. I'm sure you already can hear her.
1, 2 plus 2.
She's back, guys. She's desperately back. Alright. Well, here it is. I don't know if you were watching last week's video, but I said I was going somewhere where I've never been to before. We are going to Northeast Maryland.
With me!
With Tater. I've never been to Northeast Maryland before. It's up in that Philadelphia area. I can truthfully say I have not heard one good thing about the Philadelphia on North area, but I figured right now is the time we're going to do it if we're going to do it at all. We're just going to go get it done, try it out. You know, Tatertot is going to be in for some beautiful country that she's never seen before. I have a very, very, very long time ago, not in the truck. Me and Warden went out and got a camper out in that neck of the woods and then come back, but yeah. We got our first stop out of the way. That's right, our first stop's out of the way. We've been on the road for a little bit now.
I don't think I'll need to pee for a while, so.
You don't think you need to pee for a while?
I just really had to pee because I didn't pee before we left.
Okay. I'm sure the viewers wanted to know that.
Oh, I wasn't talking. Well, I guess they'll feel better, but yeah.
Alright guys, like I said, I'll get back to you here in a minute, and maybe we'll talk a little bit more. Let's go get some highway time in though first.
Woo! I made it not, but this is wrong. See?
Send help. Send help now. I tried to keep you out. Why did you come back?
Because I can't get away from this beautiful mess.
Why does all the women in my life think that they have to annoy me?
Because we're the women in your life. We have to be able to keep you sane. Otherwise you go do dumb stuff.
Okay, okay. Well, stop number 2. And does anybody want a kid? I got a 14-year-old girl I'll give them. You guys can just have her. I'm just kidding, of course. Things are going good, going okay. I forgot to tell you earlier what we're hauling. We're hauling meat. Well, what kind of meat you hauling, Schmidt? Well, where the meat came out of, all I can say is maybe ribs. On the paperwork, it says S1. That's it, S1. So I don't know what's in there, I just know it's meat. This is my 5 minutes apiece.
Ooh, can I smack something?
How about the next stop? I'll let you go around and hit tires.
Can I touch it?
No, that's not going in my truck.
Why not?
Guys, I swear, my sanity, it's on the bubble right now. It's on the verge of leaving me. Well, like I said, things are going good. Truck's moving good. Our plan tonight is I really want to hit Walcott, Iowa tonight, call it good. Because yeah, we might be going to Maryland, but I do need to stop. Well, it's going to be off the route a little bit. I do need to stop in Cincinnati, Ohio. I'm not really looking forward to a smaller bedroom, especially having Brat Child with me.
I'm Bright Child number 1.
I'm trying to remember if I told them about what we're picking up in Cincinnati yet. I don't think I have. I don't know.
Is it me? Is it you?
I don't know.
Other
Guys,
girl.
I'd keep talking, but it's not even worth trying. Right now, we're somewhere up on Highway 20 here in Iowa, and we have, I'd say, roughly...
I can levitate, see?
I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. I pray.
I'm crying. Dog back in her truck. Oh, that's a hit. But there's a lady that just got in there too. Oh, they're hauling campers.
The dog's on a leash. How mean is that? You're gonna take a dog with you and you don't even have enough freaking decency to walk your dog.
He's so pretty. He's like a miniature version of Jax with less brown.
He's so pretty, and the people who own his truck are so lazy. Lazy people.
Who's the other girl?
Well, it's a little late to be checking lights due to the fact that we're parking for the night. And yes, you've seen it, we're in Walcott, Iowa tonight. We're Iowa 80 they call it, the world's largest truck stop. Self-proclaimed, I think. Or you guys want to see a, I don't know if you want to call it a freak show or whatever you want to call it. You come to Iowa 80, they have a little bit of everything. I won't go into what I just seen or what I just heard or what we've come around, but it's not the prettiest. Well, guys, I'm still sitting here rivaling. I'm really wishing I would have made a video on my exhaust. It would have been a great video. I didn't get mad once. I didn't throw tools, cuss. I didn't try to hide things. I actually did a really good job on it. I mean, there's no cutting corners on it. I was deeply impressed with myself, which is kind of rare when it comes to working on stuff. Tatertot's with us. She's not driving me nuts right now. It's because she's not around me. I love that kid. She keeps me spunky, keeps me awake, keeps me going. As you've seen when we were pulling in, it's a little foggy out tonight. Drizzly, rainy. That's about it. I know it's a short video tonight, guys, but it is what it is. We'll wander on to Cincinnati tomorrow and pick up what we need to pick up. Then it's onward. Then we're gonna head out to, well, we're going somewhere in Maryland. I already forgot. Northeast Maryland, I think it's called. Other than that, guys, as always, be safe. And I'll talk to you tomorrow.